Hello guys, welcome back to the Nifty City channel. So as promised, we were going to have a weekly videos, many weekly videos. We did one on Monday, discuss the situation. कल वीडियो नहीं आया क्योंकि कल डिस्कस करने जैसा कुछ था नहीं, sideways day था. So today, but काफी action आया. Today has been a completely bearish day. So let's discuss Nifty, Bank Nifty, Tata Steel जो stock discuss किया था उसका क्या update, and also one new stock that you can buy in this dip, right? So starting with Nifty, पहले तो Nifty में what are we saying? See Nifty में this is the weekly chart. Now weekly chart में if you see this is the 21 EMA. 21 EMA हमने अच्छा खासा hold किया है in this uptrend. Now here where we are getting 21 EMA is 17,856. Recent swing low is somewhere around 17,800 के आसपास आप पकड़ सकते हैं. So 800 to 850 is our immediate support on weekly. ठीक है. Now coming down to daily chart. Daily chart में what do we have? Now daily chart में we have a breakdown. Okay. अब like we discussed on Monday कि 50 EMA breakdown हुआ था, but it was the monthly expiry, तो हमने low volumes थे, we avoided. उसके बाद reclaim हुआ, but 21 EMA cross नहीं कर पाया है. Right now if I show you guys this was the level we spoke about. 18,265 चाहिए तो मंडे का वीडियो you can go, I'll put it in the I button. You can go and see the video, आप जाके देख सकते हैं. This is the exact level we spoke about. 18,265. 18,265 को हम क्रॉस नहीं कर पाए हैं. Now we have broken the 50 EMA with volume, okay, which is a negative sign. ठीक है, it is a negative sign. Now what are our targets and how do we plan? Okay, now सबसे पहला major support that we're going to have is 17,969. Okay, this was our support. Now again we're going to take support here. If that breaks, then what? Okay, then we'll discuss. Now coming down 15 मिनट के पहले let's go to the hourly chart. hourly chart पे क्या दिख रहा है हमको? hourly chart पे similar story. 200 EMA resistance came back, tried to cross again 200 EMA, उधर से बहुत बड़ा rejection and we have fallen down. Okay. Now one thing that we are going to see on the smaller time frame, that is 15 minutes, exactly how are we supposed to trade tomorrow. Okay. Now tomorrow is expiry. Okay. Now one thing good that we have here, only positive thing that we have here is we have a RSI divergence. Okay. Price is falling, RSI has made a new high. Okay. Price has made a new low, RSI has made a new high. So we have positive RSI divergence. Now what are our targets? Now suppose, okay, let's see what all scenarios can play out. Tomorrow, for example, we open gap down, okay, somewhere around this zone. Okay, this zone में we open gap down directly 17,969 से लेके somewhere between 18,000 to 970 के बीच में we open here. Then definitely you can take, इधर से जैसे एक rejection candle मिलता है, ठीक है, इधर से जैसे एक green candle मिलता है, you can take a long trade. What will be your target? Your initial target will be gap filling. ठीक है, gap down है, initial target will be gap filling. In that gap filling, I think RSI should resolve itself. Divergence solve हो जाना चाहिए. Suppose we continue to go on the upside, our next target can be this swing high somewhere around 18,130. Right? These are going to be our two upside targets if we want to play in the long scenario. Now, what happens if directly we open flat? Okay, flat if you open somewhere around here only, then what happens? Then simple scenario है, इसके breakdown पे प्रीवियस डे लो के ब्रेकडाउन पे शॉर्ट है, ये स्विंग के ऊपर लॉन्ग है. या तो आप ये 200 EMA का भी रख सकते हैं, बेसिकली 18,150 के ऊपर लॉन्ग एंड इधर 18,040 के बिलो या 20 के बिलो you can go short. So this will be our plan for tomorrow. In case we open gap up, then well and good, then we can see a very sharp recovery. Resistance will remain 18,265. Okay, so that is all about Nifty. Now coming to Bank Nifty, let's see Bank Nifty का weekly chart first. Okay, now Bank Nifty also if you see weekly chart, Bank Nifty ने अच्छा खासा supply लिया. Okay, बार बार rejection ले रहा है from the higher levels, so there is very good supply on the higher levels. Daily पे again negative sign, we have not sustained the 21 EMA. Okay, we have broken the 21 EMA. although volumes are not very high, but we have broken the 21 EMA. इसमें 50 EMA is coming to somewhere around 42,400 के आसपास is the 50 EMA, right? Now this zone 42,400 से लेके 42,520, okay, 120 point range. This is our immediate support in case we get any kind of a gap down, major gap down. Hourly पे क्या आ रहा है? Let's check out the hourly chart. Now hourly chart पे, okay, we have taken this support. Okay, इधर एक previous support भी था, swing point, and 200 EMA था. We have taken support here for the time being. Now, what are our scenarios we will discuss on the 15-minute chart, right? For our intraday purpose. Videos हम intraday के लिए बना रहे हैं, तो intraday purpose से what? So same scenario here. Okay, price has made a new low. Here we have made RSI has made a new high. So this is again RSI divergence. Now, how do we trade? If suppose we open gap down, okay, somewhere around here or something, we open gap down. 42,525 will be the first support zone. Okay, this is bounce आएगा. This is somewhat confirmed कि इधर से bounce आना ही है, because RSI will be very drastically oversold. इधर से एक bounce आएगा. Again, similar setup. First target will be this support, 42,800. Okay. So 42,525 से लेके 42,800, 300 all points का एक bounce we can expect. If we open flat, again buying only above 43,200. ठीक है, 43,200 के ऊपर buying होगा for target of 43,400. If we open gap up, then definitely we can try to aim for 43,512. If we open gap up above 43,200 and we sustain, that is very important. Nifty Bank Nifty को देखते हुए, what is my bias? So today is going to be the Fed minutes announcement. Okay, I am expecting, since they have been increasing the interest rates and everything, and looking at the FII selling today. आज FII ने 2,000 crore के ऊपर की selling की है. Looking at that data, I feel the minutes are going to be bearish itself. We have priced in more or less stuff from today's price action, but we cannot rule out 42,500 on Bank Nifty and somewhere around 17,800, 800, 850 on Nifty. This cannot be ruled out, right? Although I am confident, overall trend is bullish. Remember, this is just a retracement. So overall trend is bullish. Bull market में pullbacks are fierce. Okay, now let's look at Tata Steel. जो Monday को हमने discuss किया था Tata Steel, उसका क्या हुआ? Now Tata Steel में I told you guys very simply, 120 is make or break level. ठीक है? अब ये candle में, if you see the high, what is the high? 120.5. This is the exact high in Tata Steel. ठीक है, तो डेटा वर्क्स. ओपन इंटरेस्ट था 120 पे काफी. नाउ मिनिमम व्हाट आवर टारगेट वाज 114, 115.75 पे है. समवेयर अराउंड 114 जब you can book your profit and you can keep trading. 114.65, hardly 1 rupee left for your target. You can keep trading there. Now if you see 5-minute chart पे what has happened exactly, you get an exact notion of what has happened. So this was Tuesday when I traded with the premium numbers. So we took entry here. अच्छा खासा it came dip. We exited with our trading stop loss somewhere here. We exited जैसे ही VWAP cross हुआ. Here again an entry was triggered, and you can see the downfall today. Right from the open, Tata Steel has been negative. The entire metal index has been down. Okay. Anyways, now which stock am I going to discuss now? Okay. Now the stock we're going to discuss is HDFC Bank. Okay, banking sector, very important. HDFC Bank, I believe, इसका रिजल्ट भी आने वाला है. HDFC Bank, I believe, is going to dictate the price action going forward. Bank Nifty में trend कैसा होगा? It is one of the most weighted stocks of Bank Nifty, very important stock. ठीक है. Now we are seeing the daily time frame of Bank Nifty. अब Bank Nifty में ये एक बहुत ही major resistance zone है 1642 to 1645. ठीक है. Till it's above 1645, there is no buy initiated here. On the downside, we have a support of 1590. इधर भी support लिया था. This will be a support. इधर से भी bounce back किया था. We have the 50 EMA on the daily chart as a support as well. So I believe 1590 will be a very good area to go long in HDFC Bank if it takes any kind of support here. Okay, it has been in the confusion zone since a long time, since 14th November. Okay, more than a month it has been in the confusion zone in this range. So I believe it can also, one more possibility is there. See, right now 1610 to 1590 is 20 odd points in HDFC Bank. Okay, now 42 950 to 42 550 पकड़ लो, this is around 400 points. So if Bank Nifty falls 400 points, HDFC बैंक भी आपको इधर कहीं, इधर नहीं तो इंट्राडे में इधर कहीं मिल सकता है. Okay, so this will be a good long opportunity in HDFC Bank. The Bank Nifty has to bounce back from 42,500, then definitely HDFC Bank will lead. Right, now looking at the open interest of HDFC Bank, open interest also suggests the same thing. Now if you see this strike here, what we have is 1600. ठीक है, तो 1600 पे we have good put writing. ठीक है, आज भी 1580 पे अच्छी थोड़ी बहुत put writing आज भी हुई है 1580 पे. So this is the zone. Okay, PCR is already 0.51, slightly on the oversold size. If we see Nifty Bank Nifty का open interest, you can see 18,000 is the major area. Again, PCR 0.55, but tomorrow's expiry, so it's rather weighted banking. So 18,000 crucial level. Okay? If it doesn't bounce back from 17,950 odd figures, then we can see 17,800 also tomorrow in the expiry. Bank Nifty में 43,000 is make or break, which it looks very dicey now for the bulls. I'm favoring the bears only here, and 42,500 will be our support. Right, so this is all from my side, guys. Trade well. Tomorrow's expiry. Volatile होगा market. Don't be, don't overtrade. Position sizing पे ध्यान देना. All the very best. You all can join our premium group. Links, everything are in the description. All the very best. Do well. Trade safe. Take care.